as you can see, I have some special guests here. Say hi. Hi. I have my beautiful daughter, Cairo. I have my handsome son, Cree. Say hi, Quick Fixers. Do you want to say hi, Quick Fixers, Cree?
Hello.
So today we're gonna do something special, right? I'm gonna have Cree interview me, and then I'm gonna interview them. So we're gonna see how this goes. Make sure you guys subscribe to Tia Mowry's Quick Fix so you don't miss out on future episodes. Ready? You want more? So she just did this sign more, and that's kind of like a milestone for her right now because Cairo, she's signing, which I think is like really cool, you know? So she just did more. Okay, Cree, you first. What's your question?
What is your favorite, out of all of them, cartoon?
What is my favorite cartoon? Gosh, Cree. It's basically all of the cartoons that you watch.
Really?
Well, there's one that's like Teen Titans Go, right?
Oh my gosh.
Well, that one's cool. No, you know what my favorite cartoon is? True. I love True, the one that Cairo always watches.
Really?
True on Netflix. That one's cool. You don't like that one? But let's talk about your basketball.
Oh yeah.
So Cree's 8 years old and he's playing basketball now. You want to tell them about your basketball games? Like what position do you play? No, you don't say position in basketball, do you? Do you? Okay.
You say that in every single sport.
Okay. So what is your position right now?
Down low.
Huh?
Point guard.
Point guard. So what does a point guard do?
In the middle.
They're like in the middle?
Like, you know, like the basket, you have to be like under the basket.
Oh.
Because if you're not under the basket, somebody can just go there
And shoot.
No, they can pass it to them and then shoot.
And shoot. Oh, okay, so you guys, Cree is so good at defense, you know, because he's really tall. Like, he's 8 years old, but he's like the size of an average 12-year-old.
I get like the most.
Yeah, like, he's...
I get like so many steals.
Yes, because he's just so good on defense, and it's just a lot of fun watching him play. And you've been playing basketball ever since you were what?
4?
Like 4 years old, so he's getting like really good, and you're really good at dribbling. So, Mommy's very proud of you.
And you, young mom, what sports were you playing?
What sports was I playing? Well, I wasn't really good at sports, Cree. I played something called T-ball. Do you know what that is? T-ball is when you put a ball like this, kind of like on a stand, and then you try to hit the ball on the stand, and I would miss that. I was just not good at it. I played a little bit of, no, I didn't do that. I didn't play anything. You know what Mommy did do though? She danced. She would go to dance class. Like this one, I want you to go to dance class. Cairo, do you want to do ballet?
She stands on her tippy toes when she was.
Yes,
So
Cairo.
when she was first walking, she was standing on her tippy toes, and I was like, Cairo, flat.
Yeah, flat
You
feet.
think that I'm gonna be walking around tippy toes?
You guys know what Cairo's really good at right now? She's walking. And really, we feel like she just skipped walking and she just started running. So her nickname is Bullet because she walks so fast. We have to tell her, Cairo, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Look.
Hi, hi.
Cairo, look,
Hey,
it's
girl.
growing.
Mama, she's saying mama now. She's saying dad. You want to say dad?
Bree.
You want to say dad? Uh-huh. She's saying uh-huh.
Say-
She's saying dad. She's saying Cree. Cree. Some of her favorite cartoons would definitely have to be Daniel's Tiger Neighborhood. She loves Sesame Street. She loves music. This is how I know that this is my child, you guys. She loves Beyonce. Whenever Beyonce comes on screen, she will just stop doing what she's doing. She'll dance. She loves to dance. Are you gonna be a ballerina one day, Cairo? Cairo, are you gonna be a ballerina? Hey girl. I always do, whenever I see Cairo, I always go like this. Hey girl. Cairo. Where you going?
Look.
Cairo is signing now. She's signing more. Cairo, do you want to show them how you go more? More. Whoa, look at this. A turtle. She's recognizing some letters now. like O, A, like all of the letters like in her name. Right, Cairo? Where are you going? Cairo? You're in what grade right now? Third. And what is your favorite subject?
Geometry.
You don't do geometry in third grade.
Yeah, we do.
Like, what's your favorite subject? Science, history, math, PE?
PE, and I like math, and I like social studies, and I like our spelling quiz.
He's really good at spelling, you guys. He gets like a lot of like, what, 100s? Oh wait, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but a new thing with Cree is Cree has braces. Cree, show me your braces. Show me your braces, Cree. Cheese. What do you think Cairo's gonna be when she grows up? A dancer? Why do you think she's gonna be a dancer?
Because
Did you see she just started
because
dancing?
just that. Because that.
Cairo, dance for us. Get it, girl. Get it, girl.
Fashion.
Get it, girl. Get it, girl. Are you dancing, Cairo?
What's it like being a twin?
It's really cool because, you know, I have someone in this world that looks almost just like me. What do you like about Auntie Tamara?
Because of Aiden.
Because of Aiden.
But no, all right. I'm just saying.
Aiden and Cree, I told you guys, they are so close. They're like brothers. So I just asked him, what do you like about Auntie Tamara? And he said, Aiden. Okay, Cree, I have a question for you. How are you liking acting? Because a lot of people always ask if, you know, your dad and I are gonna allow you to act. So how do you like that? Because you're acting now, right? Like, what do you like about it?
Cool because you get to go on this fake house thing.
Yeah, the house and the sets
It's
are like not real.
fake,
Yeah.
and like when you go, it's like really exciting, and the snack room.
Hey you guys, I think I have
Family
comedians in my family, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see another video with Cree and his Uncle Tavior, make sure you click the video right there.
Please.
And Cree, we'll see you over there.
Please,
Bye guys.
please do it, please.